Hands on review Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. Stunning 3.2K 144Hz display and powerful performance. Xiaomi has once again delivered a strong contender in the tablet market with its latest release. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. Combining premium design, a high-resolution display, and robust performance. This device aims to satisfy users looking for both productivity and entertainment on the go, after getting some hands-on time. With the Pad 7 Pro, here's what makes it stand out. Right out of the box, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro impresses with a clean and minimalist white packaging, adorned with logos such as Xiaomi, HyperOS, and Dolby Vision Atmos signaling the device's advanced features. Inside the box, users find a 67W fast charger with a USB-A to USB-C cable and a familiar user manual. The tablet itself feels solid and premium, thanks to its full, metal body with meticulously crafted edges. Weighing approximately 500 grams and measuring just 6.2 millimeters in thickness. The Pad 7 Pro offers an exceptionally comfortable grip for prolonged use, whether in hand or on a desk. The rear camera module is designed consistently with Xiaomi's flagship smartphones, featuring a square-shaped camera bump housing 2 lenses along one edge of the device. A smart connector allows easy attachment of compatible keyboards, enhancing productivity by turning the tablet into a mini laptop setup. The device's edges are flat, reminiscent of the iPad Pro's design language, adding a modern, professional aesthetic. On the right side, physical buttons for volume control sit alongside a fingerprint sensor, embedded for quick and secure unlocking. The top edge features a speaker grille and the power button, with subtle branding of Dolby Vision Atmos embossed, while the bottom hosts a USB-C port, flanked symmetrically by 2 more speakers for a rich stereo sound experience. One of the most notable design changes on the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is the adoption of a 32 aspect ratio display. This ratio feels natural for both portrait and landscape modes, making it versatile for web browsing, document editing, or reading. However, users watching widescreen videos may notice black bars on the top and bottom due to this taller screen format. The tablet sports an 11.2-inch LCD panel boasting a crisp 3.2K resolution of 3200 by 2136 pixels, resulting in a sharp pixel density of 345 pixels per inch. The screen supports an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, which translates into buttery, smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Additionally, the touch sampling rate is a highly responsive 360 Hz, dropping slightly to 240 Hz when using a stylus, ensuring quick reaction times for gaming or note-taking. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, the screen remains visible even under strong ambient light. The bezels around the display are uniformly thin, providing an immersive viewing area without risking accidental palm touches. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, a flagship-level processor that delivers excellent performance for a variety of tasks. Buyers can choose between 8GB or 12GB of RAM, paired with up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ample space and speed for demanding apps and multitasking. Benchmark tests reflect the device's power. Geekbench 6 scores reach 1,854 for single-core and 4,721 for multi-core performance. Meanwhile, Antutu benchmarks exceed 1.4 million points, putting the Pad 7 Pro comfortably among the top Android tablets on the market. In practical terms, this means smooth video playback, rapid web browsing, and the ability to run graphically intensive games or video editing apps like CapCut without lag or stutter. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro houses a sizable 8,850 mAh battery, designed to last through extended sessions of work or entertainment. Complementing this is 68W fast charging technology, which Xiaomi claims can recharge the device from 0% to full capacity in just about 1 hour, an impressive feat for a tablet. Though cameras are typically not the main focus for tablets, Xiaomi has equipped the Pad 7 Pro with respectable photography hardware. On the back, there is a dual camera setup, consisting of a 50 megapixels main sensor with an f1.8 aperture and PDAF phase detection autofocus, plus a 2 megapixels depth sensor to improve portrait shots with bokeh effects. On the front, a 32 megapixels selfie camera is placed along the longer edge of the tablet, which is a thoughtful design choice that facilitates better framing during video calls or online meetings, especially when holding the device in landscape mode. The Pad 7 Pro runs Xiaomi's new Hyper OS 2 interface based on Android 15. This software layer incorporates AI-powered features branded as Hyper AI, enhancing user experience with smart functionalities. Examples include instant voice to text transcription, real-time multilingual translation, AI-powered image editing such as background object removal or expansion, and automatic photo enhancement, all achievable with just a few taps. Additionally, the tablet offers a smooth switch between tablet mode and desktop mode. This transforms the interface to a more traditional desktop experience, with resizable windows and multitasking support, ideal for users who want to maximize productivity on the go. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is a compelling package that combines premium materials, a stunning 3.2K 144Hz display, and flagship-level performance in a sleek, lightweight design. It is an excellent choice for users seeking a versatile device for entertainment, productivity, and creativity without breaking the bank. With fast charging, strong cameras, and smart AI-driven software features, the Pad 7 Pro proves that Xiaomi is serious about competing in the tablet arena, offering features that can rival some of the best in the market today.